Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download and install CapCut on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download and install CapCut on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, you will need to go to the official website of CapCut, since that's where we will download the app. So just search for CapCut.com on your search bar. And once you're on the official website of CapCut, there it is guys. You will now see this download button right here. Just go and click it. And after clicking it, your CapCut installer file will now be downloaded, so you can now click the file to start installing the app. And then the app will now start installing. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, it's done. Congratulations, you will now have your CapCut video editor installed on your PC or laptop, so you can now start using it to edit your videos. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.